though.
Okay.
I mean, in addition to the paycheck, of course.
Didn't y'all give me some tomatoes? I think y'all gave me.
No, we gave you some Korean persimmons,
Is that what it was?
and that's what I'm gonna have her go out and get one. They sell those orange things in the tree.
Mm-hmm.
Those are Korean persimmons. And don't get in your mind persimmon like we have those little crabapple things.
Okay.
It's like eating fresh God-made Jello.
Yeah. See how I gave it 3 tugs? That's all frozen. Okay. If you want, y'all can wash these out.
Oh yeah, she'll definitely want to wash it out. Is that gonna be enough?
It just may be enough. It's enough.
Well, if you need another one, we got plenty.
I will let you know. I'm good right now. Okay. One of the things we could do on your fuse box, can you switch to one off that says refrigerator?
I don't know if I can or not.
I'll let you know.
Yeah, you just tell me.
That's what cut that off. We don't want it cooling while I'm heating. Nope. 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 Nothing. Nope. 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 No. 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 Yeah. No. Close. No. 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 Still on. No. No. Yes. 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 You got it. Mark it with a piece of tape. You got it. Hmm? Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Got it?
You got it. Yeah, you need to mark that one.
Yeah, boy.
Okay. Can you sit this in the sink for me?
Yeah,
This is your ice maker. Do you use it?
we do not use it.
Right.
No, we're founders of the Anti-Ice Coalition. As, you know, that's our contribution to global warming. We leave the ice where it is. So the world around.
Okay. Okay.
But in seriousness, we drink room temperatures, it's healthier for you.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah. Well, think about this. You just eat a greasy hamburger and squeeze some of that delicious grease into your glass of ice water.
It turns white.
It turns white and it coagulates. Well, why would my body do anything different that when I take a bite of that good juicy hamburger and then drink some ice cold something, it's preventing my body from digesting.
That's what. Got a point. But I feel like
And in fact, Asian folks tend to drink hot beverage with every meal, which really helps to improve digestion.
Okay.
Whenever we go out to eat, you order a cup of hot water.
Remember that.
Oh, you're doing the same thing we did to the one on the outside.
Except it's vice versa. This one's on the bottom, that one in there's on the top. So solid, I can't. This won't come off.
Got the frozen solid in there. Is there any, you know, when we put this in here, we were just then putting, same time you were putting the floors down, and as I recall, we did not put this underneath there all the way to the wall.
Okay, so you see this wheel?
Yeah.
There's some things you might want to invest in. They call little refrigerator tracks.
Yeah, I've seen them where you put it under
Yeah,
there.
you want to invest in them in case I ever have to get behind it. Because it'll put a groove in there because of the weight. And so you want to put a track here so I can roll it out on the track without damaging it.
Oh, yeah, I've seen some little, on Facebook, some little ones that you put underneath.
Yeah.
You pump it up and it has better casters.
I would highly recommend you get some. But one day I might have to get back there.
Well, I'm thinking with this thing being 10 years old, I think the next step
There's another one. You still got to move it.
Yeah, you still got to move it, don't you?
They come in handy, I'm going to tell you that. I try not to move them, and if I ask for permission, that's why you hear me ask for permission, because that removes the liability from me. They tell us we have to ask for permission to move the refrigerator, otherwise we're liable for moving.
I understand. Well, shoot, you're liable just for coming out here. You held your mouth wrong, and now I'm offended. Oh, your pants are dirty, man. I'm gonna sue somebody.
Tell I've been painting, man. I've been painting.
That's right.
I did my interior.
Did you?
The bathrooms and a few rooms. But my old lady keeps trying to buy me new pants. But you know how we are. We got our favorite pants.
Absolutely.
He said, I'm going to hide them.
See this? She's been trying to get me to throw this sweater away. It's got holes in it, but this is my house sweater.
See, we have our favorites. And you can't get it away from us. All right, she's still frozen. Get up on in here.
See the ice maker, and you notice we don't have a water dispenser either. It's not hooked up to anything but a.
Oh, there's no water line?
No. And the quality of our water coming through the city is so crappy, I wouldn't want to drink it straight away anyway, without having a good filter.
Here she comes. Let go. Sure. Unplug. Over here. Oh yeah, it's a lot of ice. And it was on the fan. See it right there?
And so what? So the fan stopped blowing, so everything.
Yeah, ice. You see it right there?
Yeah. The fan stopped.
No cooling. No circulation.
Yeah.
Cooling, but no circulation.
And so then the clacking I was hearing was the fan clacking against the chunk of ice.
That's correct. Can you take that to the sink if you want? You can wipe it down. We're not done here. Wow. It's like Alaska in here.
Speaking of which, we just got back from Alaska.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
It is Alaska in here. Absolute popsicle.
Man, I tell you, Alaska, I'm ready to schedule my next trip.
Is that right?
Oh, it's an awesome place.
That's where all the oil is, right?
I don't know about oil, but there's mountains.
Yeah, that's
There's
where
the wilderness.
that's where all America's oil is, untapped.
I don't know that I'd be such an environmentalist that I would prevent the oil because of the natural beauty, surely there'd be a way to get it to compromise and have plenty of both.
Yeah. In this day and age, they got ways of doing things, like making hurricanes and pipelines.
So yeah, it's like I have a client that needs this. She's 82, and she had the aortic valve in her heart needed to be replaced. And they did so on an outpatient basis by putting an incision in her thigh and going up through the thigh all the way up to the heart.
To the heart.
To that aortic valve. And then they put in another one, and they left the old one in there, and they put in another one, and then pulled the whole apparatus back out again instead of, cutting the chest bone in the middle. And in fact, they're going to do that. They're doing that this afternoon. Step 2 is they've got to put in some stents in the valves of her heart.
Wow.
But instead of cutting her chest bone open and cracking her whole everything open to get to the heart, we're doing the same kind of thing to go in and put stents, and she'll be in there for tonight, and then she'll be home tomorrow.
That is good.
That's amazing.
That's a lot of advancement.
Yeah, it is. Yeah. Instead of sawing the chest bone, the breastplate in half, and cracking the chest open to go in and operate on the heart, and then have
just go right up your leg.
So it seems like we would be able to do oral the same way.
Yeah.
Just on a slightly larger scale.
Right. Okay, now once I get done with this one, we'll strip the refrigerator next.
Oh, we got to do that too?
Yeah, I'd rather do this one first and then go up. Yeah, this was where your main problem was.
You have a refrigerator, everything, and that up.
Yeah, wait till I get done here, and then we'll go up.
Will the freezer be back ready to go back?
Yeah, I want to do this one first because this is where the primary air comes from.
Right.
And
I see. Yeah. But I mean, we'll be able to load the freezer back up?
I will wait till I'm completely done.
Wait till you're done?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh,
I don't want to move too fast. Restroom while we're waiting for this guy.
yeah, you know where it is, right? Down to the left.
No, Sean can't get out of here.
Hey, Douglas, is it okay if we start unloading the fridge?
He says just wait till he's done here.
I was thinking about that. But $300 fixing, $2,000 get out of there. New fridge, $2,000. So we'll just wait. We can get it working.
water in here. This is ready? Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, that thing sucks up the water too?
Let it blow the steam down. I'm cleaning out the pipes.
Oh, okay.
How old is it?
That's good, that's good.
This
It's not big, it's like a big mug of coffee.
Well, she was gonna give you hot water and stuff.
Oh, it makes it hot, it makes it hot. It's a heater inside. There. You're done.
Another rag.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
Here's another small towel.
Just drop it on the floor.
Oh, that's an ice maker.
Yeah, I need that next.
Yep.
Thank you, sir. Ready for the big door. Not the door. Oh, the door. Door. The door. Yeah, you can hold it right in place for me too. Let's see. Let's go with that here. It's hard to see. The angle I'm in. I'm looking over the top. There we go. Just need to get positioned better. Yeah, you come right here. I gotta let go.
What do you want me to do? Hold on right
Here,
here.
hold this guy. Hold him over.
Looks like you got it.
Got it. Yeah.
All four?
No, I got two more. Get this over. The main two are in.
Does this help?
Yep. One more. All right. I got two more over here.
Mm-hmm.
Push back.
Yeah.
One more. That's it. We close it for now. Now we're up here.
Now we gotta unload.
Yeah.
Do we have to unload the doors or just
Just the shelves.
Just the shelves.
Yeah, huh?
Yeah, everything.
Just the shelves.
These boxes too. Drawers.
Yeah, you can pull the whole drawer.
That's a problem because this thing doesn't open up all the way.
Now we gotta put it full. It almost has to come this far to get that angle. Let me see where you're at.
I don't know. Opening the door will do.
No,
the
no.
door's not going to do any good.
Let me get where you're at. Let's see if we can move that. We gotta clear it. Clear it.
Man. Sure hope I stay on your good side all the time. You strong dude.
Just do it a lot, that's all. Okay. Let's work us some little chain here.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Got it. The lid's loose. Ugh.
Throw it away.